Hey everybody, it's me, Little Ditcher. Today I'm showing you how to get a free gold. It's another gold hack, so this is another episode of Kodak, so try it and try. As you see, I'm not a gold member. Not got anything open. So what you want to do is go back, close the game. Then the link is down in the description. You gotta download this game. When you download this game, you're gonna download this zip. If you do, you get something like this. Then you go to your computer, local disk, program, depends where you have it, Steam folder. I have it here, Steam apps, common, unturned data, managed. So what you want to do is delete this and drag this here. Now you close the boot. Now you open the unturned. As you see, I'm now officially gold. So what you want to do is you just do something what you want. I'm gonna go like I'm gonna like this. Okay. You get all the stuff as you want. Let's try to connect. Yeah, let's connect to this server. And I'm gonna show you one thing. If you join, as you see, you're a gold member. When you press X, I'm gonna show it here. When you press X, look how fast I move. You just have to press X. It's all. Okay, it's just the way you have to. Don't get caught. It's just a hack, gold hack. I don't know why this is in it. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and see you later. Bye.